Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to So Crypto, your home for Crypto TA. I'm your host Martin. In this episode, we are gonna be talking about Bitcoin holding. Now, if you are catching this from live, welcome. If you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. I really want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news and technicals, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit that like button and that bell. That way you will be notified when we go live. If you want to keep on chatting with us whenever the stream is done, join us on Discord. Links will be going out here shortly, guys. Thank you all for joining me tonight on an awesome Tuesday night. I hope you're all having a great time. As well, what's up, dude? And Andrew, how's it going, man? Thank you guys for joining, coming in tonight, saying hi. Don't look at the markets, man. Let's see what's happening with crypto, right? We got a drop, we got a pop. Things are moving. Some things are moving. Some things are trying to hold. So let's go to market cap and see what's happening there. On the market cap, what is going on there, guys? Well, we did get a moving down yesterday, coming down to that Fibber retracement like we said we could. We're hitting it and we're bouncing from it. We are still below 2 trillion and trying to hold on to that area. Hopefully trying to climb above that area. But again, right now, $1.98 trillion. And like I said, we could be aiming trade above that $2 trillion mark. Again, hopefully we will. So with that said, let's go check out Bitcoin, right? So Bitcoin to the dollar, $42,316. Again, trying to go higher. We're trying to hold yesterday. Did manage to rally very little, 0.29%. Oh my God, it's nothing. We are also trying to go for that 20 moving average at 43,629. Hopefully we can go there, man. We should Bitcoin start moving to the upside. Now here we have the same thing, right? Bitcoin did move down. We almost went for that move to the $40,897 mark. We did drop to $41,281. So about almost $300 of target. But, you know, target almost very close to 10 target. And we're rejecting those lower areas of value. That's okay. We don't have anything bullish, unfortunately, right? We're coming to a higher low, right? With negative to positive momentum and slightly higher on our side. Sold at 37.18, right? That's where we're at. So again, trying to get that movement to the upside. Hopefully going to go for that $40,896 mark. Let's go back here to the chart that we were looking at, the one we've been tracing and following. The last thing we have in play is this divergence that is bullish. But if we make negative momentum here and drop slightly lower, even to that 40,626, we're going to be creating strong bullish divergence. And with that, the possibility for a rally to come in. Let's go to that 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, look at this. Oh, we're dropped, right? We were looking for that hidden divergence. Guess what? It's no longer there. It just lost it. That's it. So we no longer have that divergence. We didn't go for a pop, hitting the 20 moving average and rejecting it right now, which I'm hopefully we try to overtake and get above that 20 moving average. That's going to be a good move for Bitcoin. But right now, it just seems that we might get a rejection. If we do get a rejection, we're going to go to 40,000, right? If we do try to get above, again, we have a target of 40,897 on the other side. We're neutral at 47.13. 1-hour chart. On the 1-hour chart. Look at this. We dropped lower. And we created some bullish divergence strong, which is very fortunate. That's why we got the rally. All right, so we got a nice rally coming up. Some consolidation starting to happen. Impulse up, downslope consolidation. We should be looking for another push to the upside, right? That's usually how the market moves. Now we are sitting neutral at 55.33, and I said we should be looking at that because nothing in trading is for sure, right? We know there's possibilities that even though we're getting this nice setup that should say continue to the upside, we could still pull back down, probably to that 20 moving average at 41,957. I'm hoping that's not going to be the case, that we're able to continue going higher, running on this bullish divergence that we have on the 1-hour chart, right? So Ethereum at $3,152. Let's go on the daily. Adrian, what's up, dude? Let's get bullish. Yeah. So Ethereum kind of sucked, right? Trying to hold Fibber retracement here. Sorry, support at 3,158. We're breaking slightly below it. Now I'm hoping it's able to reclaim that area. Sold at 36.51. Nothing bullish happening. So let's go to the 4-hour. On the 4-hour chart, we were looking for that same hidden divergence that Bitcoin had. We no longer have it. We dropped lower, and that is fine. We're trying to see what's going to hold and try to get us to pump. If it didn't, we knew we were going to come down here, get rid of that divergence. So we no longer have everything bullish. We're trying to bounce with Bitcoin. We have some bullish divergence in the 1 hour. We're going to check that out in a second. But here on the other side, we're sitting sold at 37.88. And with that, there's nothing happening here that is bullish or bearish. Here again, look, we dropped farther down. So now we're gonna basically track this one, go from one island to the next, right? So here we had divergence, bullish, strong, potential fraction to the outside. We took our pop, hit the 20 and broke back down. Here, on the other hand, we got our move. That is what we're looking for, right? Some bullish divergence. There's islands here, so I'm gonna ignore them here, and I'm gonna draw this divergence against the RSI. But this divergence is here, and it played us to the upside, right? And it was basically following Bitcoin. That's it. So bullish divergence, action to the upside, starting to pop, starting to flag, but really breaking below at 3,158. I'm really hoping that we can get above that area and shoot for a $3,324 mark. Neutral 46.26. Let's check out ADA real quick, because ADA, it's trying to move, man. $1.48, right? It's trying to go in the green. A lot of guys here love the ADA, man, so let's go check it. Going up slightly higher. We are coming lower on that MACD. I think we're coming lower on the MACD. I'm going to have to zoom in a second, but I do believe we're going lower, so. All right, look at that. Bearish divergence strong. We had the possibility for extra downside. We dropped down yesterday. Right now, trying to go back up. So, again, we're trying to reclaim this here zone at $1.52. We already rejected it, so we'll see if we can get above there. If we can, we're looking for $1.40. Neutral at 57.57. Right, that means we could go either way there on the RSI. On the 4-hour, bearish divergence strong, moving down. Now we are going with hidden divergence here, low point to a higher point. As we're trying to break that 20, we're overtaking it right now again, and looking as though we really want to go back up to on a strong move to the upside here on ADA, right? So here we go. All right, neutral at 57.79. Let's go to the 1-hour chart again. Bullish divergence. We're trying to go hidden bullish. We're trying to overtake this area. And hopefully stay above that 20 moving average. That's the move I would be expecting to see here on the 1-hour, right? Again, bearish divergence breaking us down. We don't have anything bullish here. Maybe on this move, there could be something. It's not going to be the best bullishness. Not going to be the best bullish divergence by any means, but it is going to be bullish divergence. And this could try to get us to go to the upside, right? So not bad. Neutral at 49.98, right? That's what we're looking for at ADA. Is it near or is it slow tonight? Wow, it seems not a lot of people in. Or you'll have a good crowd by this time. So, let's see what else is happening. I mean, the market seems to be a little bit undecided. Some things are trying to pop, some things are trying to drop. They're not really looking at their strongest, right? So let's go real quick. Let's check out Shiv, dude. Shiv at 0.40 and then 2,821. It's not bad. Not bad on Shiv. It's really just not at its best either. It's trying to get above the 20, which is fine. But it's not on. LQ above 68. Nice, dude. That's good. I hope the ADA contracts start working properly. And their, whatever exchange they got going on does good, man. That's gonna be a good project, I think, right? So here we go. Bullish divergence, potential fraction to the upside. Start to go back up a bit, getting over that 20 moving average. The 4-hour chart, man, do we have something bullish? No, we don't. Look, oh, we do hidden bullish. It's still tracking all the way over here. Look at that. Oh my goodness. And it just keeps on tracking, and that's it, right? So the 4-hour hidden bullish. We're holding sideways, which is fine. Let's go to the daily. Again, pulling back down still yesterday, and then right now. Struggling a bit, but the last one we had was bullish. Nothing else going on. Need to get a 20 moving average and try to get above there. Andrew, what's up, dude? What's going on with Theta? I'm not sure. Where Theta at? What was happening with it? Theta at 2.87% to the upside. Well, pumped yesterday, 6% right now. Almost 3%. So yesterday, 2.43, 2.97 right now. It's good. Nothing here that is bullish on the short term, and on the longer term, we do have some strong bullish divergence. It's barely there, and it's just like Bitcoin and the rest. So it's not doing anything special here. So I'm not sure why you're asking what's going on with Theta. I mean, I don't see anything going on here right now. Neutral 48.85 again, trying to go back up and try to overtake that 20 moving average, which we are above right now. $4.30 right now, $4.33. So slightly above that 20 moving average, which is fine. Andrew says, ooh, nice. You went long out of boredom. Ooh, interesting. Low, lower, low, negative, more negative, and low, lower. So nothing here that is, there's nothing here that is bullish. Neutral at, sorry, bought at 65.50. More chart going higher, more positive momentum and higher on the other side. So there's also nothing here that is bearish. Overbought at 73.39. With that, we could be looking for some action to downside potentially. And the only thing that's left to check is from way back here, but I even doubt that from way back here we have anything. So let's just check real quick. Nope. We're still coming higher, and that's good. Nothing bearish here on theta, right? It looks okay. It looks okay. Sure, we want to go for any kind of setup here. Not a double bottom, right? Double bottom would be coming down to this area. This is just some chop happening. W formation, yes, we could say. Maybe this looks a little bit like a double bottom, but yeah, it's just barely. Feels like we're hunting a lot for this. Even the daily, daily we could say there is a sort of double bottom that's starting to get formed on the larger time scale, which is good. For this to happen, we need to break this confirmation line up here at $5.51. It's still, $1.20 away from where we're at right now. So not bad, dude. Right. Let's see what else. How the XRP doing? It's dropping. XLM pumping a bit. 25 cents for XLM. Like not a lot of movement in the market, right? A lot of just downtime, I guess. Anyone play FIFA 22? You're having the best and worst time with it? Wow, that's weird. No, I don't play FIFA 2023, man. Good luck with it, though. I think the last FIFA game I bought was... I can't remember. Mike says, join the Discord. All right, cool. Thanks for joining, man. And it's verified. Awesome. Congrats. Thanks for joining. Yeah. Why are you having the worst time with FIFA? Are you not trading your, Are you not trading properly your players? I'm not sure. What is this madness? They should make it a good football game, NFT based, right? Where you actually like own like the player and then you can trade it. There's a certain amount of like this star players, I guess. That'll be a pretty cool NFT. By the way, dude, Jake, congrats on winning your race yesterday, or today, I guess. Your horse race on Zed Run. So good, man. The market's not super exciting, guys. Come on. It's just flat. It's just boring. It's boring, man. Let's check out HNT at $30.68. Oh my goodness, it's trying to do something. It's not. It's trying to hold. That's it. Chatbot got him. Right, so we are dropping lower here on HNT, creating some bullish divergence. That's pretty good. I dig this. I dig this. I could work with this. Right, bullish divergence strong at support. We got the potential for a rally to come in. Not a bad area, actually. Neutral at 40.37. Strong bullish divergence. Potential for a rally. We could overtake this divergence here at divergence. This fever tradesman at 31.83, and then go for that 20 moving average at $35. Not gonna be a bad move. I'll take that action. Here we're dropping a little bit more, going lower on the RSI and lower on the MACD. We had bullish divergence, pop, hit the 20, and then we're rejected. Then we're dropped, right? This nothing here that is really, really good. So again, if we do try to rally, 20 moving average at $32.34, that'll be a good target. 1 hour chart, man, bearish divergence. Look at that, it dropped us. Remember, we talked about those. We had this yesterday. We were here live, and we said we were gonna see if this manages to hold. It didn't. 20 didn't manage to hold, and we just broke it, right? And on that move, we didn't create anything here that is bullish, I think. We might have. Against the RSI. Look at this. Coming down lower. Negative momentum, less negative momentum, right? And that we are neutral at 44.11. So yes, we are looking for some action to the upside here on RSI, right? $44.13. Potential for a rally to come in here. We'll see how this goes. For HNT, right? on a moving down that we're starting to get right now. There's no bearish divergence for this moving down, but on this moving down that we're starting to get, the 20 moving average is going to be our target at 30.53. We break there again. Gonna try to find target at 30.44. All right, $30.44. Finding support there. Could be looking for a bounce. Hopefully we can get something going on here, man. Again, the market is looking a little bit boring, and it's just the way it's been for the last couple days, right? Just boring market. Stagnation the last couple days for Bitcoin, right? Look, stagnation, slight drop, stagnating, and right now it's just we don't know where we want to go. I don't like where we're at, though. It just feels like we are so weak that we could, in theory, drop below the 40Ks. Right, so we'll see. Well, FIFA, you just don't play the game. EA Sports, it's in the game. It's all about the Cardano ecosystem these days. Yeah, dude, they are the ones that have the news. And even though the market is struggling, Cardano does seem to want to take advantage of that. It's just failing, man, right? It's not being the best it could be at, just decoupling 100% and just, say screw it to the rest of the market and just start pumping like crazy. That'll be amazing if we actually manage to do that. What's Dixie at? Look at the dollar index. Let's check it out, man. Where it at? 95, so it's dropped. Whereas now it's trying to pump, but it had dropped, right? We had the hidden divergence last time we looked at this, so it's good. We're going for that 20 moving average. All right, cool. So we're starting to drop right now. Good. Let's see if we reject that 20, right? And here we are doing a reversal for the week so far, which again, not the best thing. So we bounced at the 20, which is the target that we were looking for. Nothing bullish coming into play here, at least not on the weekly. And we are sitting bought at 60.55. There's nothing bearish happening here either. We need to break below that 20, right? And here again, hidden divergence came in, did its job, got us to pump to that 20 moving average, right? Prepare for war says, indeed. Indeed, my friend. All right, let's do the S&P. At 4,577 points. All right, it is dropping. It took a drop. Jeez, 1.84%. That is massive for the market. It's been a little bit of a downhill. Yeah, it did gap down on the opening, pumped yesterday. Today, dropping some of that, right? So we are sitting neutral. Sorry, sold 38.23, and there's hidden bullish. There's hidden bullish here. Could try to get us to pop to that 20 moving average for the S&P, right? Not gonna be a bad move. Not gonna be a bad move. Sold at 38.23, right? Let's go check out the Dow. How's the Dow Jones doing? 35,368 points. Oh my goodness, it's just dropping. Yeah, it's whatever, man. Taking a drop. Hidden divergence coming into play as well. With that, the possibility of direction upside. There is a negative momentum island here. It's very, very tiny. Look at this. It is tiny. There we go. There we go. So, hidden divergence against the MACD, and there are signs with that. We could be going for some stagnation. Maybe try to get action to the upside, right? And if that is the case, again, 20 moving average would be a target at 36,116 points. What? For War says he just bought some chicken Kentucky buttermilk. I'm not sure what that is. Hot trap. Looking to AADA currently. 3 million ADA market cap. Nice, dude. That's a good market cap to be at. Nice.
Hey, can you check out Sol? Phantasma ended up going down like you said, but had a massive pump at support. I think we're in a triangle at the daily.
Yo, Adrian! Dude, thank you very much for that. Much appreciated, my friend.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary.
Thank you very much.
Is awesome. Yes, we're gonna bring up Soul. Look at the Soul, man. How the Soul doing? $2.89. All right. Yes, we did take a drop and recovered. Great. Do we hit support? I don't have support there, man. Yeah, we did manage to hold on to the zero line here, right? The previous low. And managed to recover quite nicely. And we are hitting resistance right now, right? At the 236 here at $2.95. We hit it yesterday, right? The highest point, $2.9522, and right now we're hitting it here at $2.95 on the dot. So again, everything else is just fractions of a cent, right? We're hitting it almost the cent, the rounded up cent. So it's okay. We're rejecting low to high, negative, more negative. Yes, we can say that there is some hidden divergence. No, there isn't. I'm trying to see if there. Yeah, there is. There is against the RSI, right? So again, yeah. Have to really look into this. This is going to give you some stagnation, maybe some potential bounce coming, right? And that bounce is going to get you to the next area of resistance, which you already did, rejecting, right? Once, twice. If we do get above there, we're going to go for at 382 at $3.11, and then it's going to be the 20 moving average at $3.50. So it's not looking bad. It looks okay. Go to the 4 hour. On the 4 hour chart, look, we had divergence. We were looking for a potential bounce. We did try to rally and failed, dropped again to a particular line, popping in and rejecting. That divergence is still going on here. Right, look at that head divergence. Oh my goodness. Yeah, we kind of lost it, I think. Yeah, we lost it. We did create some strong push though. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do the move here where I'm just gonna re-anchor, reposition these things here real quick. We're looking for that hidden divergence. It didn't come into play, but this one's going down as well. And here against the MACD, look, right, strong bullish. Strong bullish divergence action to the upside, starting to get our pop and our rally, which is good. That is the reason I started to recover a little bit, man. That's pretty good. Dion, what do you think about Matic? That's a good question. Let me finish this. Look at the 1 hour. Right, man, look at this. Oh my goodness, what are we doing here? First of all, this stuff is from the 4 hour, very likely. Isn't it back there? All right. Cool. We had bullish divergence pop, hit the 20, rejected, came back down. So on that move, coming lower, more negative momentum, and some bullish divergence strong on the 1 hour as well on that move. Look, yay. All right, strong bullish. This is the reason that it's rallying. It's starting to flag. It's not looking bad. It's not looking terrible. The 1 hour actually looks good. The 1 hour looks good. I'll tell you why, though. We're starting to flag, right? We're rejecting. Very, very close to support, to resistance. And that rejection, we started consolidating. That consolidation looks like it's down sloping. So down sloping consolidation usually tends to break back up to the upside, right? So if that is going to be the case here in Phantasma or in Soul, we should be looking for a pump and try to get above this fever retracement, which is going to be that 50% retrace at, or 336, depending on which fibs we're looking at there. I think we have double fibs there. We're looking at 2.95, right? That's target to get above. Again, bullish divergence came in, made it pop at 3 p.m. and a lot of crypto started to pump around that time, including Bitcoin. And just so you can see what I'm talking about, remember, that 3 p.m. candle. I'm just going to go here to Bitcoin. I'm going to show you that here also, 3 p.m. Look at that, Bitcoin, right? Poof, the market just went up for crypto. Not just that coin, but again, a lot of bullish divergence was being built. And that's why the market started to go back up. So what do I think about Matic? I'm not sure. We haven't looked at Matic today. Let's go here. Matic, $2.09. All right. All right. We're all right, rejecting fibs. We're rejecting 20, moving down. Nothing bullish. We're starting to consolidate here, so that's fine. Let's go here on the 4 hour chart. Adrian, I'm going to go back to Sol in a second. I think I missed your thing about the triangle consolidation. We'll see in a second, right? All right, so lower, more negative momentum, lower, still oversold at 30.48. Not a lot here. That is bullish. Also, did we do anything bearish here? No, we didn't. All right. Let's go to the 1 hour. Thoughts on XRP? Yes, well, we'll talk about XRP in a little bit. Who's dropping here, man? Who's dropping? Look at this. It's dropping like crazy, fool. Here we go. Bullish divergence strong action to the upside. Starting to go back up, hitting the 20, starting to reject. About to go sideways motion here. I think we can even say that we did go slightly sideways. Maybe slightly lower. Yeah, slightly lower. All right, so on that move, look at this. We're coming lower still. Slightly. Very slightly. But it's lower. And with that, we are creating bullish divergence from negative to positive and low to high on the other side, right? And again, we do get anchored to a negative momentum island for us to say, yo, we have divergence. We're close. We're about to start making that negative momentum move and maybe create more divergence and then look for a potential rally there, right? So that's what I'll be looking for here on this project. This here, read 0. So we could treat this here as a whole island, right? And once we start making that negative momentum, these will become one island and then we'll be anchored from the highest point. And then we'll talk about that once we get there. But Matic, again, looking like, we has a bullish divergence, could go for a 20. But if we drop, it would not be weird, right? Because we are not creating divergence the way we want to do it. So let's go back and check out Sol again. Sol, so we can do that small portion Yo.
Love the TA, thanks bro. I'm learning a lot. Soul definitely a favorite of mine.
Adrian, thank you very much for that.
Audience,
much
say it with me.
Legendary.
Thank you very much.
Let's roll. Adrian, asking for the soul triangle on the daily. All right, let's check, man. How are we doing triangle consolidation? I'm gonna get, yeah, it's the only soul chart I have. Let me get a new soul chart. I think it's the only one that's available. Yeah, it's the only one that's available. And I have a lot of stuff in it. All right, so I'll try to get this to work. Now, you're saying we were doing a triangle consolidation, and I would say yes, it's starting to look like it could be a triangle consolidation, right? And what we're talking about is this move happening, right? So again, here I'm just going to exaggerate the lines. I just want to see where they cross. But for now, I just want to make sure they're also just going to be here. And on the daily, you said there's going to be a triangle. And yes, I would agree with you that there's a triangle. That's not the triangle we're looking for. That's not the triangle we're looking for. The triangle is anchored here. And that consolidation phase. And yes, I would agree with you that we are making a triangle of sorts. Yeah, it looks like a symmetrical triangle, right? It looks like a symmetrical triangle if we go with the bodies. And I would be going with the bodies. Reason for that, wicks do account for volatility throughout the trading day. But the candle closes is where trade will settle for the hour. That's where we actually passed on the torch to the next hour. Depending on how stagnant or volatile the market is, you could switch. Some people just chart by using the wicks. Some people just chart by using the bodies, right? Some people just, chart by using either or. You never mix and match, right? You can use either or so long as you stay body to body or wick to wick. Now the thing is, when you go with the bodies, the thing is, if the market is not really volatile and it's making short moves, you could use wicks and you are not gonna have any problems because you're gonna get about the same read because you're gonna have actually the upside and downside. Now, when there's a lot of volatility, you're bound to get those large wicks, and sometimes you could ignore them. And although they're valid data, that's not where the people settle. Now, if you are to switch your chart to go to line chart, you're going to see that the triangle is more or less where we drew it, right? Because these points are considered to be at the closing areas. So when we use this, right, when we use the bodies, we're basically keeping it a little bit closer to what the line chart would look like to some extent. So that's why you like to go, right? So anyways, yeah, there's a triangle happening there, man. Yeah, it's symmetrical. It could break it away 50-50. It's not coming after an impulse up. We could say kind of impulse up, but this is a very, very large consolidation pattern. So I'm just gonna say it's sideways consolidation. It's in a triangle. Sorry, we're consolidating into a triangle, looking for a potential break to happen. Now it is a large move, but depending on when we break, man, it's gonna be a nice move. So we're gonna go from here. That's a high point, and this here is the low point. And if we are to break to the upside, we're probably gonna go to that $4.19, depending on when we break that also, right? So if we break here, like $4 and something, and then if we go to the downside, we're looking at $1.17. It's just gonna depend on when we break, and then we'll take that measure and see where we could go on a measure move, right? So this would have to take it a day at a time. So we did Matic. Someone said XRP. Let's go check out XRP, dude. What's up, Producto, man? How's it going, man? XRP at 73 cents. Man, he was sitting at 75 cents a couple seconds ago. Oh my goodness, it dropped. Look at that. XRP. All right, it's dropping. It's below 76.33. It's trying to stay above that 72.57, and this is good. Already hit it a couple times before, so we could be range bound here. Nothing bullish happening. We're about to move sideways, and we're about to start creating bullish divergence. What do I mean by that? Look, if we go sideways here or drop lower, right? What is going to happen is we are going to be making less of that negative momentum, right? So that move is going to go negative to positive, right? And low to high on the other side. And with that, we are going to be looking at some strong bullish divergence. But for now, and the candle's still live, we still have 20 hours to go, 20 hours and 21 minutes. All I'm going to say is that we are starting to develop divergence. We have to wait for confirmation, though. That means that today we have to close. So if we were to be extremely legit, then we would have to do TA. We have to go with whatever we have confirmed, and that would be the previous candle, which is up here. So we're going low to high, negative to positive, and low to high. So there will be nothing bullish. Now, the only reason that I'm talking about this bullish, happening or starting to develop, It is because it could develop, so you guys know we can start having this and contribute to the upside. I'm going to go back to the core in a second, man. Bullish divergence here in the short term as well, on the 4 hour. And not the best looking, but it's there. And again, with that, the possibility for action to the upside, right? I'm looking bad here for the market. I'm looking bad for the market. Yeah, with that, could be aiming for 76 cents. Although XRP, I think, is not in an area they could go to that 72 cent mark, like we said here on the daily, right? Could start to go down here and still have divergence, right? We'll still have bullish divergence on daily. So, like I said, XRP still is a live candle. So, we just got to be legit on what we're doing, right? Here, we're also getting that drop. Look at this. We're coming in lower right now on this candle on the 1 hour chart. Oh, no. There we go. And here we're going negative to positive. Again, we want to anchor to a negative momentum island. That means we got to drop a little bit more. But we are starting to develop this bullish divergence against the MACD and the RSI. Again, sold at 37.59, right? Not the craziest. So it's okay. It's trying to hold, XRP. All right, let's go back to Bitcoin because someone said, oh my God, it's dropping it for the 1,875. Oh yes, it's taking a nasty, nasty drop. That candle formation, that flag formation that we're talking about, potentially breaking to the upside, it's getting wrecked right now on Bitcoin. It's not looking hot, breaking below a 20 moving average. Oh no, that means Ethereum's probably also getting impacted. Ethereum's at 3,104. Jeez, that sucks. Now, would it be the worst thing ever if they drop a little bit more? No, because we're going to develop divergence, right? Coming down lower, coming here, right, with the negative momentum like that. Now, is this from another time scale? Where does this match to? Does not match to anything. This line needs to go back to where it was initially, and then we'll see here. So we go there, and then we go here. We have strong bullish divergence against the MACD and the RSI. Still look for action to the upside, right? So drops are not something that we should be worried about sometimes. Particularly if we were looking at them to do something so we could get something else in return. So is Bitcoin going to do something similar? Not likely. Bitcoin needs to drop quite a bit more. If it drops a lot more, we're going to start getting that negative momentum, and we're not going to have bullish divergence. What do I mean by that? Well, if we do drop to here, right, we're going to be coming here, and we're, lower. Here we go. Yeah, it's going to be going lower, and then we're going to be making here probably a lot more negative momentum. So that's going to get rid of our divergence, right? I wouldn't like to see that. I would love to see Bitcoin trying to hold on to something, at least a 20 moving average, man. Crypto for you, what's up, dude? Thanks for joining. Again, guys, if you enjoy the content, make sure you hit the like, the bell, and the subs, right? Join us on the Discord. Now, what else are we going to do here, man? Yeah, can't remember. We was going to do something, but just keep on mind. Right on, man. Right on. What else are we going to do? What else are we guys going to do? You know, there's something crazy when scammers are afoot. Some dude named O came in saying, "Oh, look, yeah, blood pump signal, blah blah blah." That's just a bunch of BS. I should just report this, man. That's crazy how people want to take advantage on Discord. It's insane. Insanity. Corn is, yeah, it's starting to look bad, right? We'll see, man. We'll see. I'm hoping Ethereum can develop the divergence and pump with it, not really fall for the effects of Bitcoin, which is gonna suck. Mike says, I asked about people at the beginning of the stream. All right. Have we looked at people here? Yeah, we looked at people yesterday. Sorry, my friend. Sorry if I skipped over that. Here we go. Let's go back to people. Oh my goodness, it's just dropping forever. We talked about that. 4 hour chart, we were looking at some bullish. It didn't have any pump, and like I said, it's not looking like a strong project. It's just all it's done is just go down. So again, bullish divergence to there. Do we still have it here? Barely. Bullish divergence, and here we no longer have it. So bullish divergence to MACD. Gonna try to get it for a rally. If we do rally, we're gonna go for that 20 moving average at 7.13 cents. But again, it's not really doing that good, man. Again, we've just been saying this has been a down trip. Like, we were not even able to get fibs. Last time we were looking at this again, bullish divergence. Took a small pop, even failed to get to the 20 moving average. Dropped farther down, but we're still managed to create that bullish divergence. Look at that, right? It was there, anchoring it to a new island, and still here trying to hold it. Yeah, it's just project. Again, not a lot of data for us to make real good assumptions, right? Not joking when you say it's a debt project. Yeah, look at it. It's rejecting the 20. It's dropping with Bitcoin. It's dropping about the same strength, 3%. I'm more intrigued to see what Bitcoin's doing right now. All right, so again, Bitcoin 1.20%. Andrew says, don't want no XRP, man. Yeah. Well, I think they have something good going on. They just need to get their deal with the SEC settled, whatever's going on with them. And once that happens, I think if they win or if they settle, they could go up. Not very troublesome. Victor Miller, what's up, son? Hey, man. So, yeah, how about Litecoin? Did I see silver today? No, I didn't, but now I'm intrigued. $23.41. What did it do, man? It's flagging. Oh, man, look at that nice pump. All right, so 18th, pumped nicely, 2.2%, not bad. We had that bearish divergence, dropped on that, nothing bullish came in, that's okay. And yeah, we're holding on to that 20. That's good. That's okay. Again, weekly. On the weekly, we have some bullish divergence, and we should be strong bullish, by the way. So maybe we should be expecting to see some action to the upside on this project on the weekly, right? Look at that. So if silver pumped, did gold pumped? Let's check. No, actually, gold managed to drop and stay. Again, we pumped and we're flagging on gold. Don't look that bad. Nice. A lot of mining companies are probably doing really good today. And we'll talk about Litecoin. All right. Yeah. I can't remember which Litecoin we look at. I think it's this one. Gold didn't. Yeah. No, Litecoin taking a drop yesterday, hitting the 20 moving average right now, going for the or drop below the 20, not going to be the best move, not going to lie. Again, nothing bullish happening, neutral at 43.37. And we should be looking for, if we do try to go up the 20 moving average and then 143, otherwise we're looking for a drop. Maybe the zone 126, and if we fail there, we could be coming all the way down here at 106. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour, again, bullish divergence, strong action to the upside, right? Look, boom, nice move. Broke our resistance line. Once we break these lines, remember what I tell you when I draw these lines and we break them? When we break the short term, the resistance lines, we go short term bullish, right? If we were holding it as a support line, then we go short term bearish. But look, we did go short and bullish, and up on that break, right? And from that break to the upside, we got a pretty good percentage run. 16%, not bad. All right, so right now we're taking a drop. There is bearish divergence, and there was a lot of bearish divergence building here. What do I mean by that? Well, if you look at this move here, right, you're gonna see that we're coming up higher. And we did make stops along the way. It's not like we just dropped in one move. We went from here to here, created bearish divergence, strong right, took a drop, hit the 20 and pumped, failed to get high, or we got higher than the previous high. We did not make more positive momentum. So we are creating that strong bearish divergence. And then here in this last bit, strong bearish as well. So if we take it by moves, will be one move to here, strong bullish against the MACD. And then another move by coming here and then coming down here as well, right? So strong bullish against the RSI. And there is a tiny momentum here line. It grid 0, but we're going to ignore it and treat this as a whole negative momentum. And with that, we are dropping sold at 34.58 again with that. Looking for drops. 1 hour chart on the 1 hour. Oh, look, we are starting to create bullish divergence. Oh, yes. This is going to help us to potentially look for a rally, hopefully. Although it looks as the market is like really just pooping the bed, right? We are dropping and shit in bed. We're sold at 31, and it's not looking pretty. Hope Bitcoin's not looking the same right now. I think it could. It's just taking a massive drop, right? Again, bullish divergence. We could be looking for a potential stagnation now to happen on the bullish divergence. Maybe try to get some recovery. The next candle, even though if it starts to go green, this movement is going to bring a lot of momentum. So we're going to be going down more, right? So we're going to see how that happens. But again, it is going to impact the market on that move. So we're going to see even more negative momentum building. Right about to get across the MACD and the signal line. MACD going under the signal line. That means negative momentum is about to happen. And yeah, it's not looking too pretty, man. Not looking too pretty. Bitcoin 41,662. Oh no. The drop continues. Remember, right on the daily, we're looking for target at 40,997. And a pump, 40,996. Those are the targets. Danielle, what's up, dude? What do you think about the Bitcoin price action right now? Yeah, I don't think it's out of the ordinary. I mean, we're looking for a move since we broke here. I said up here, guys, we're holding this level. If we break that 40,996, we're going to look for a move to 40,997. When I started the stream, I said we got close. We're within 200. We started to bounce. That looks good. It looks like we could be going for that 40,996, but the move we were calling for was 40,997. Now we haven't hit there. I wouldn't be weird if we go hit that area and bounce. That would be nice, actually. I would kind of love to see that. Maybe even if we close down here, right? Why am I saying that? Well, if we come down here and close somewhere this area, kind of go low, lower low, last negative momentum higher on their side, strong bullish divergence. And it's gonna be like the fourth time that we're developing strong bullish divergence, like 1, 2, 3, right? Yeah, 1, 2, and 3, and then we're just looking for a pop by then. And we would be looking at something similar to what's happening here, right? So we had 1, 2, 3, then drop, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, drop, right? Yeah, it's not looking the hottest, but it's also not looking the worst, right? So again, 1, 2, 3, right? I'm gonna carry that fourth one. We'll see. We'll see. Yeah, hitting support in the 1 hour. Nice. Yeah, it's nice that they're holding support. Hope more projects do hold support. Again, guys, if you enjoyed the content, hit the like, hit the bell, hit the most awesome friggin' sub. Right on. Right on. Oh man. Can't wait to do the Vegas stream. That one's gonna be dope. Really looking forward to that stream. Yeah, it's gonna be a killer stream. Oh. Man, the market is just not looking too hot. Just bought a ADA $1.52. Oh man, yeah, it sucks, bro. Oh, we just talked about ADA not doing so hot. It's in the negative. 69. All right, it's dropping. Oh my goodness, look at that. Upon rejection, and we had bearish divergence there on the daily. We had something bearish in the 4 hour. And bullish trying to come into play. Rejected heavily, right? This area. 1 hour chart again. Look, bullish divergence popping. Nothing bearish coming into play. At least not that I can see. But the daily is putting pressure. It's putting pressure on the 8 hour, right? Dude, what? Hidden bullish and bearish. I'm gonna have to measure this, but this here reads 0.0000 and then 005, sorry, 005, 005, and we are coming down lower. It is nothing there. That is bearish. That was all right. That was correct. Curtis, what's up, dude? Never been here, man. Andrew opening schlongs on ADA. Not looking too hot. Victor Mella says it was down everything day. All right. It was down everything day. Bond. You shall not escape. Yo, I'm glad to see you guys. I'm glad to see you guys back for reals. I know. A lot of faces that I hadn't seen in a while. Curtis, dude, thank you very much for being here, man. Victor Miller, I know you came the other day, but my favorite Bond villain. Right, man. What are we gonna do here? What are we gonna do here? Jeez. Pedro, what's up, dude? I haven't seen you in a while, my friend. I think you said you were from Portugal, so bye to Portugal. If you are from Portugal, I think you said you were from Portugal. Thank you very much for being here, and much appreciated, brother. See, all the old people are starting to come back, and that's awesome. That means the market must be dropping. It is dropping. What are we talking about? Bitcoin. Ooh, right. We just lost a 20, man. We're going for a reversal. We just undid whatever gains we pulled on the last couple candles. Not gonna lie, it's looking pretty, man. I don't think we're gonna recover this candle on this 5 minutes that we have. So I think we're gonna close below that 20-week average, right? Can you check out sell frame? Yeah. Yeah, so. There is no sell to tether. There's a wrapped Ethereum. It's getting against Ethereum. If that makes you feel good, that's about it though. No information being loaded for the MACD and the RSI, which is weird. It does, yeah, there we go. Like, that's weird. We should have something, and now we got something good. Coming up slightly higher, higher and higher. Still short term. Bearish divergence starting to develop. Not going to be saying this chart is going to be the best. I noticed on the 1 hour there were a lot of gaps. That means there's probably not a lot of volume being traded. And we do want to have volume, right? When we trade an asset, that gives us the chance to buy and sell. If there's no volume, you get stuck in positions that you don't want to be in. Bought at 60.83 again. Bearish divergence, potential fraction downside. Let's go to that 4 hour chart. We are coming up slightly higher here as well. Man, are we creating divergence? No, we're not. Bought at 61.11, and we created some hidden bullish. This part. Hidden bullish divergence. Look at this. There we go. So, bouncing that, not looking bad. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Low, lower low, negative, less negative, and with that again, we are looking for a potential pump to come in, and yeah, we did get a pump afterwards. Again, this kind of sucks because it already happened. Short term, nothing bearish. 4 hour, nothing bearish, I think. Nothing bearish. So it should still be clear to pump more on this project against Ethereum, but it's against Ethereum. That means if Ethereum keeps on dropping and this project holds its value, it's still going to rally against Ethereum. Doesn't necessarily mean it has to gain dollar value, right? It's going to preserve its value against Ethereum. That's it, right? Better says, I am from Portugal. Ha 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 ha. Actually, I check your videos on a regular basis. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. Curtis says, I've been hanging around with you, bro, for about 2 years. I know, but you hadn't chatted a lot, I guess, because I haven't seen your chat. But I know you've been here for a while. It's just when I see you guys chat again, it's just basically, it's like, oh, they're here, right? Because sometimes when you don't chat, it's like, I don't know if you're here. But thanks, man. I appreciate it. That's pretty awesome. Abuto says, holy Bitcoin. Oh. Holy inverse moon, Bitcoin. What are we doing? We're still dropping. Are we going to try to retake that 20? Yeah, we are. Looks like we're trying to rally, but like I said, I don't think we're going to take that 20 minutes. Thanks for ETA. It's harder for you to watch. I know, man. It is a time difference. That's for the work I put in. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. Much appreciated, my friend.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Right, so we are trying to get above that 20 moving average. Let's see if we can do it, man. Come on. You're working the graveyard shift? Oh, the night shift. Right. Yeah. It's not bad. That kind of sucks. I hope we get back onto the day shift. And night shifts are hard, dude. Night shifts, mess around with your sleeping schedule. All right, so. At least we're not dropping these levels now. Come on, Bitcoin. You can do it. Try to get above that 20. I doubt it. I hope it does, but I doubt it's going to do it. Reason for that is it's going to take a lot of strength out. I'm sure we have it. If we do get above that 20, it could be a strong move. That means we're going to be trying to hold support, and we could be looking for a bounce, but it's still going to undo the consolidation that we're going for, right? That down-sloping consolidation that we're checking out. So for now, what I would be looking at is, where are we going to go from here, man? We're just getting a strong move down. Are we going to consolidate like we did here at this level? Then try to go for another pump? That'll be good. Paycheck is better on the night shift? Oh. All right. Yeah, usually night shifts get paid better, I guess. But then, if you want to go out with your friends and everything, they're on a day shift job, it's hard to, hang out with them because you're freaking working at night and then they're out partying, right? It messes around with your partying schedule. Oh, there we go. There we go. Trying to bounce, but 40 seconds to go. It is not bad. Man, I don't think you're going to be able to retake that point, like I said. So what I'm going to do right now, guys, is I'm going to log off. I'm going to leave my PC on. If the market keeps on tanking, I'm going to come back online like I did the other day and do another stream later on. So we'll see. I'll keep my phone running and the market open. See if we're going to keep on tanking. Hopefully we don't. Hopefully we recover. Or we start to consolidate at this level. But yeah, I'll be back if there's stuff happening. For now, yes, we did get a strong move. We didn't go for the consolidation I was looking for at the beginning of the stream. Kind of sucks, but you know, it is the market. Again, indecision times, right? So guys, thank you for joining. If you enjoyed the content, hit the like, hit the bell, hit the sub. Join us on the Discord. Links have gone out. Pin at the top of the chat. Remember, all the information that we provide here is for entertainment and educational purposes only. Please don't trade based on what you see here. We're just discussing ideas. This is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. And on that note, I'll catch you again tomorrow for another edition of So Crypto. Till then.